Hello everyone, I'm Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to crochet the blanket stitch. This is a wonderful crochet stitch. I actually did a video on it several years ago now, so this is a bit of a refresher and I've updated it as well. It's a fairly simple stitch to work. As you can see, this has a great texture to it that is reversible front and back. It's easy, it's going to work up quickly, making it a great choice for crochet blanket projects. So today we're going to learn how to crochet this blanket stitch. We're going to be using a 5mm or an H8 crochet hook, as well as a little bit of worsted weight yarn. This is the Heatherly yarn by We Crochet and Knit Picks. You may wish to follow along on the written pattern, and it can be found for free on my website at richtexturescrochet.com. I've linked it down in the description of this video. Also down in the description is a link to my Amazon bookshop, where if you're interested in learning crochet stitches, I have a crochet stitch book available with 102 crochet stitch patterns, large photos, and written instructions, and you'll find that linked down below. So thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, I invite you to subscribe. Take a look around. This channel is updated every week with free crochet patterns and stitch tutorials. Now, as I mentioned, our blanket stitch today is easy to work. It's actually a 1-row repeat once you get it set up. So you're going to start by making a slip knot. You're then going to work a foundation chain, and your foundation chain will need to be a multiple of 3 stitches. Today I'm going to chain 21. Once you have worked that foundation chain, you're going to begin row 1 by working 2 double crochets into the 3rd chain from your hook. Your chain 2 at the start does not count as a stitch. So 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets both into that same stitch. You're then going to skip the next 2 stitches, and into your next stitch you're going to work 1 single crochet followed by 2 double crochets back into the same stitch. You're then going to skip the next 2 stitches. We're now going to repeat this all the way across. Into your next stitch, work 1 single crochet followed by 2 double crochet stitches. Skip the next 2 stitches. Into your next stitch, single crochet followed by 2 double crochet stitches, and you're going to do this all the way across until you come to your final stitch. I only have a couple more sets here. I'm going to keep working all the way. Once you come all the way across, you're going to have 2 stitches. You're then going to work a single crochet into that final stitch. That will bring you to the end of your row 1. You can then chain 2 and turn your work. Now for row 2, we're going to begin once again 2 double crochets into this first stitch. And then just as you did before, you're going to skip the next 2 stitches, into your next stitch, work 1 single crochet, followed by 2 double crochet stitches. Skip the next 2 stitches, into your next stitch, and this is your single crochet, work 1 single crochet stitch, followed by 2 double crochet stitches. And you're going to repeat this all the way across until you come to that final turning chain 2. When you come across to the final turning chain 2, so I have 2 more double crochet, then just into this chain 2 space, work 1 single crochet stitch. Then chain 2 and turn your work. Now for the repeats in the pattern, that is it. You're simply going to repeat that row 2, beginning with your 2 double crochet stitches right into the first stitch at the base of that turning chain, then skip your next 2 stitches, single crochet, and 2 double crochets into your next stitch. Repeat that all the way across, finishing off with that single crochet into your chain 2 space. And that's it. That's all there is to working this wonderful crochet blanket stitch. So thank you so much for joining me. Once again, while you're here, I invite you to take a look around, check out the Crochet Stitches playlist, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Until then, happy crocheting. Bye.